Just over here bothering Angelo.
You're bothering Angelo?
I'm just over here bothering Angelo because he's once working and I'm not. Well, I'm actually should be. I'm just.
God, here, take Puppy.
Take the dog off you.
She's wriggly.
Take the pups. This is Daisy Dog.
It's on Sunday!
Daisy Dog. Hello, Daisy Dog, darling. Hello, little flower.
What's going on today?
All right, you're quite excitable. So we've got a 2001 James or Jason, depending on. We've just had the story. Depending on, we've just had. He is actually a bona fide TV star. So we have actually got, but we're going to call him Jason because it's a real, and his name isn't Jason. So basically, James.
God, she's wriggly today, isn't she?
Wiggling. Come on, little madam, you got right wiggle bums on you, haven't you?
Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle.
So basically, a full service on a 2001 RSVR with some chain sprockets and some sort of additional nice bits like these kind of bits. Available in the store. Little drop there, as it goes. So what's going on at this particular point in time is Angelo.
Oh God, you might have to put her on the floor.
Wiggly Dog. Christ. Nah, come on, I've done this before. This isn't my first barbecue. I've done this before. So, chain and sprockets, I think, has been all cleaned up on this one. We've got, then we're going to have to sort of do like brake fluids get done. I think if you have a quick look under here, we can tell, I think he's actually pulled the suspension linkages out. He's put some of those nylon spooky washers on that we've got. You can tell he's been in there.
Just about see him.
Just about see him underneath, can't you?
Oh, it's not in focus anymore.
Hang on. This is proper wiggling at the minute. Little monkey face. What's going on?
She wants to help.
Cool. Of course you do, don't you, babe?
As she bites your ear.
Oh, she bites my ear. So, so basically, that's what's going on now. I think we've got brake fluids to do next as well, because you can see that's looking pretty sort of dark. It should be sort of like pretty light coloured, but that's gone pretty dark. So that needs changing. If you have a look at the brake fluid as well, it should be quite a lot lighter than that. It's not, so it's clearly needs changing. God, you're a right wiggle bum, you are, aren't you?
She's like, put me down. Oh, hello, look at her face. Aww. Hello.
Stop biting. So yes, that's what's going on there. That's what's happening. Oh, that's got race kit. That's part of the race kit, that is. Did you know that? The exhaust hanger on that's part of the race kit.
No, it came with the bike.
That's it. So that's a race kit part, or actually part. It was available, I think, as a spare part in the aftermarket accessories when your bike was new, which is pretty cool.
Another thing is what on the tree uncut as well.
Yeah, look at that. Uncut under tray as well. They're
Oh,
starting
I'm
to
a
get
bit
quite...
short for this one.
So here, there's a mount here. It's this mount which actually mounts the number plate. Basically, there's these wings that are sort of sat on this. A lot of people used to cut them off to make it look a bit nicer. So
that looks better, doesn't
they're
it?
quite rare now, which is quite cool.
I'm a wee lass, I can't quite...
A wee lassie!
A wee lass!
So you can see all of those sorts going on. That's nice. Nice new chain on that. That's looking good.
Banging.
Banging chain.
Banging chain.
Banging chain. As it goes. Yeah, looking good. Snocks.
Snocks himself.
Another order being sent out.
Is that another Oberon?
Another Oberon, yeah.
Wicked.
Great lad.
I love a good Oberon.
Wicked. Do you want me to show you around what's going on then? So let me show you around. Follow me. Let's show me around. Not show you what's going on.
It's all out of focus because you're too close. You crack
It's probably
the
not.
screen
It's
in
probably
a
not a
minute.
bad thing, seeing as I'm an ugly sod. So anyway, no worries. That's good. So, bit of a walk round, show you what's going on, and show you what we've got going on in the workshop. If you want to have a quick nose at what's happening today in the workshop. So we've got our Grom. That's my Grom. Calipers have been sent away to be powder coated because they were red and they were stressing me out, so I didn't like them. So we've powder coated them black. The powder coat has managed to make a real dog's dinner of that one. So that kind of, I don't know, pissed me off a bit, that did. But
Yeah, and me, it's mine too.
Yeah, exactly. I think Angelo got his done, but we've managed to get it fixed all up. So we've got no brakes.
Don't need brakes on a Grom.
Yeah, you do. The way we ride, you do. The way we ride, you do. So my Zebra Grom has no brakes at this particular point in time. Put your feet down. Or
Yeah.
do you remember when you was a kid and you'd just sort of ram your foot between the sort of crossbar and the,
Yeah,
or the frame and the
just stick your leg like,
sort of in here?
just at the bottom.
Dave, the man Smith, This is his Harley. It's still here. That's it. I think the last bit has just landed for that. He needed a USB connector for that. So Dave, who at the moment I believe is somewhere in the Middle East. Be safe, my friend. I did actually see a message from him this morning. I spoke to him this morning, so be safe on that one. Go for there, look.
It's got a serious face on.
My shovel head. So yeah, my Harley. So those of you that don't like Harleys, get over yourself. It's bikes in it. That's what it's all about.
Been told.
That's it. So my RGV 250.
My RGV.
My RGV 250.
My
RGV.
Mine.
RGV 250. That's still floating about, and a wiggly dog that's. Just put her on the floor, see how she goes.
Puppy power!
Puppy power!
She's like, oh, I've got to chase my tail. Oh, what? Yeah, I'll pick you up. You'll probably sit still for me. There we go.
Amber's Gen 2. That is actually... No, she ain't sitting still for you either, is she? She's properly got a wiggle bum on today, haven't you, little missy? She's I think you've sold that, haven't you?
Yeah.
That's gone, sold. That's gone, sold. So that's gone. That's out the door now. That's on its way out the door. Matt's Epic 98.
Epic.
Epic. Look at that.
It is a beautiful bike.
So this fluoro colour that just makes it stand out.
Let me get the other side. You're in
Do you
the way.
know what? That's cool.
You're in the way.
Just needs a clutch in it, I think. That's it. Is it a clutch and some steering head bearings or something?
Steering head bearings,
just to get it right.
clutch. Yeah, it's a bit
Just a bit steery, a bit sort of.
steery.
It's
got a lump.
Been neglected for a little bit, so that's got to be fixed.
Oh God, I've broken it.
Fresh set of tyres.
I'm sorry. I don't mean to
fresh
break.
set of boots on that kind of stuff. What we got over here? Amber's Grom. That's in pieces. That's been painted. The shop bike, which is basically kind of
Giving a warning. My grum's naked here. People like young children watch these.
censored. Censored.
My poor grum is naked.
Censored with a dog. Shop bike, again, it's just sitting there doing nothing at the minute because nobody wants to ride in this weather. It's kind of rainy and stuff at the minute. These are the bikes that you've seen forever. My old race bike, the SP. So the SP, now, we were supposed to be doing some filming last Thursday. I think it was John McAvoy from Practical Sports Bikes, Performance Bikes magazine, and Simon from Sports Bikes magazine. The boys came over and gave it a road test for us. We've got that running a little better now. I think he did say that it needed some brakes doing and the bars are bent on it or something along those lines, but we just keep on working through it bit by bit just to make sure it's right. But that's going to be in Performance Bikes magazine in about a month's time, I think, something along those lines. Don't know if should. Rich's, and we're just refreshing them.
Naked bike.
Yeah, we just look away. And then we've got the RS250 engine. So Andy Mann's RS250 engine there that's just come back from the engine builders. I didn't actually build that one. Reason being is because there's a guy out there that's better at doing those engines than I am as it sits. He just does them all day, every day. So we sort of sent in those and it's just unbelievable. So that's really good. Nothing else really to show you what's going on a walkabout other than the fact that obviously we are now COVID safe. Boris has dictated that we have to be COVID safe. So please remember, if you come into the workshop, sanitize, get juiced up, get juiced up, get lubed up, lubed up. That'll do nicely, and biscuits. Not Jaffa cakes. No Jaffa cakes. We have not got any Jaffa cakes. Thank God for that. Thank God for that. There's been quite a lot of them just lately.
Yeah, we've been rolling into that.
Middle-aged thing going on. Come in here then. Don't think he's on the phone at the minute, so we can have a look at what's going on. So we've got some new body warmers because it's
cold.
It gets cold
It's
in here.
freezing.
In here. T-shirts. Has everybody seen the new T-shirts? RSV4
ones there,
T-shirts.
Yeah.
Tuono V4 T-shirts. Millie T-shirts. we've got some t-shirts basically. So what we're going to
We've
try and
got
do.
shirts.
A company called Moto Clothing have sort of said, look, we want to do these with you. So I said, yeah, no problems, we'll do that. That'd be absolutely epic. We'll have a go at some of those. We're going to kind of change all of this around. So we're going to,
in here, I reckon.
yeah, we're going to change all of this around. So we're going to have some bit more room to show off some clothing and stuff like that. I'm fed up of looking at pictures of me on the wall. I don't want to look at pictures of me on the wall.
Oh, no, comment. Not one single picture of me on the walls. We need to get this sorted out.
Don't we?
Good stuff. Right, I've had enough. I've got dogs to look after.
Work to do.
Work to do.
Work to do.
Work. Telling you, just can't get the staff these days.